The mathematics comprehension assessments are meant to provide information about student strengths and needs. The score reports from fixed form tests provide raw data at the cluster level and information at the standard level as well. This allows the teacher to more easily pinpoint areas of strengths and need and allow them to scaffold instruction starting with student strengths as they meet their needs. The score reports from the computer adaptive assessment provide information about whether the student has successfully demonstrated skills or is in need of further instruction and practice within a cluster, grade, or learning progression, depending on the test that was administered. In addition to the decimal value, the report provides an indication of whether the student has successfully demonstrated skills or is in need of additional instruction and practice. When interpreting and using the computer adaptive individual student data, please note, a score below 0.5 indicates that additional instruction and practice is recommended. The closer the score is to 0.5, the closer the student is to successfully demonstrating the skill. The closer the score is to 0, the more likely it is that more intensive instruction and practice is needed. A score greater than or equal to 0.5 indicates a student has successfully demonstrated the skill. The closer the score is to 1, the more likely it is that the student's strengths are greater. Grade-level computer adaptive assessments provide an overview of student proficiency at the cluster level with regard to the major content of the grade and allows teachers an entry point for focused instruction. Cluster computer adaptive assessments are short tests, 8 questions long, that provide a quick overview of student proficiency with regard to the content within the cluster assessed and allows teachers to use the assessments for progress monitoring through the year given the short length of the test. Computer adaptive progression tests indicate areas of strength and need within a learning progression. For example, the grade 3 through 4 fraction progression test will provide data regarding student proficiency within this learning progression. So it would be within clusters 3 NFA, 4 NFA, 4 NFB, and 4 NFC. This gives teachers information about students' knowledge and skills regarding fractions, as well as a starting point for where they might need to provide support.